Hello and welcome to the Tigre.pup channel. If you would like to see how I created this look, then please keep watching. In order to complete this look, you would need the following items. You will need elastic bands, hairpins, thermal spray, hairspray, your curling method of choice. In this instance, I will be using hot rollers, and I'll use clips to secure them in place. And finally, a paddle brush. I'm going to first start off by curling the hair. I'm going to section the hair into 3 sections: the front, the middle, and the bottom. I'm going to first start off by sectioning the hair and spraying each section with a thermal heat protectant and hairspray to make the curls last longer. Just note, I've done this off camera. Now that the rollers have been allowed to cool, I'm going to take each section down carefully to avoid tangling. And then I'm going to brush the hair to soften the set. I'm now going to add some serum, concentrating on the very ends because they were looking a little bit frizzy. I'm now going to separate the hair into two sections, the front from the back, and ponytail the back. Now working with the front, I'm going to separate the top from the sides. Working with the front section, I'm just going to smooth it down and secure it into place. And now that I've secured the hair, I'm going to look at it at all angles to make sure that it's balanced and adjust as needed. And now I'm going to take sections of hair and use a bobby pin on the very ends, preferably 1 inch to 1.5 inches from the ends. Twirl it in the direction that the curl is shaped and secure it into the hair. I'm going to continue to do this throughout the entire head, the back and including the sides, while maintaining balance throughout the entire head. Now that I've reached the sides, I'm going to angle the hair diagonal back. And right here, I'm just checking for balance and adjusting as needed. Right here, I decided to leave out a tinger because I thought it was interesting and it added to the beauty of the hairstyle. This hairstyle is fully customizable. You can leave out tingers in the front, in the back. You can have it more so to the left or to the right. It's really up to you. So this is just a basic look, and you can decide what you want to do from there. I'm going to first curl the hair, separate the front from the back, take the back and ponytail it, preferably a high ponytail, and the sides divided into three, the top and the sides. Comb smooth the top, make sure it's balanced. Take the hair, preferably 1 to 1.5 inches from the ends, and twirl it into this shape. Make sure it's balanced and secure any loose hanging hair that you don't want exposed. Here is the beginning of how she looked at the beginning, and here's the final hairstyle. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.